What is your biggest challenge with your linen closet?
So this closet is a catch-all. We have a dedicated closet for sheets. This closet has towels and heating pad and a little bit of everything in it. And it's only got 3 shelves. It's got a really mishmash of stuff. It's not super functional the way it is. So it would be great to have a space with a spot for everything and just make it neat and organized and functional. Oh wow, that looks awesome. That's so organized. Thank you, IKEA Canada.